Unboxing of Mitutoyo 810-306 HHV 400. Certificate box. Inside a box, charger, various type of pins, then charging cable, one, two, three, four, five charging pins and adapter, six charging pins and adapter. Then uh, plastic box, Mitutoyo calibration certificate inside. Then machine, serial number, pin, off, on, switch, USB charging cable, NOT output cable, inbuilt probe, screwdriver, nuts, calibration certificate, rebound type portable harness tester, is manual, declaration of conformity, Mitutoyo warranty certificate, operating procedure. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe my channel. If you require more, if you require more information about this product, please contact me on 9028 000 350. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.